Welcome to Aprilia Imaging, and just giving you some updates on some of the macro shots I took with the new Nikon 40mm macro. As you can see here, taken in this shot right here. A little cherry tomato I picked from the backyard. Looks pretty good. Look at the nice smooth bokeh around here. I was able to get pretty close to this object. I was on a tripod, so I was probably 3 to 4 inches away. Let's go in 1-to-1 here just to take a look and see what happened. You can see that's pretty sharp here. Again, I'm at 1/60th of a second at f3.3. Looks like the focus is sort of maybe right around in here. Don't see any fringing really, not much, if any at all. Nice level of detail there. Looks nice and looks nice in red. If we come in down here, there's a little hair there, and a little brush I had it on. So this was taken with my D300 at ISO 400 and looks pretty good, nice and smooth. Again, these are not post-processed; these are taken right out of the camera here. Here's a macro I took with my point-and-shoot Panasonic DMC-Z-S7, and you can see, right away the difference here in the color of the object, and also since it looks like I'm still at f3.3 at 1/30th of a second, but everything looks to be much more in focus in this shot here. So let's go in 1-to-1 here and let's take a look. It's pretty sharp right around in here. You can tell there's a little bit more noise. Obviously the sensor is going to be smaller and going to be picking up a lot more noise. There some fringing in and around the outside here, but pretty sharp down here with the brush, but the color is obviously a little more orange, as you can see here. So f130, 1/30th of a second, f3.3, ISO 320, pretty close to what I had on the other camera. Not exact, but this is an exact comparison here. And here we go with the X100 Fujifilm at f4.0, ISO 400, 1/40th of a second. Now, excuse me. Now, the first thing you can tell here is that I'm really zoomed out, and I couldn't actually get a focus lock any closer than this. So this is as close as I could get with the X100. And the first thing you can tell is that the color looks very good. There's not a lot of noise. Let's go in 1-to-1 here, and it missed the focus on the stem here, where the stem comes out here. So that's pretty typical of this camera. It tends to not focus properly, or it misses the focus a lot of times. But I know that's not a good thing. But anyways, over here it's really in focus. On this side as well, no real fringing that I see. Noise level looks good, but again, it missed focus, and that's definitely not a good thing. But this camera is not the greatest at precise focusing. So anyway, there you have it from 3 totally different cameras. Nikon D300 f40mm macro, point and shoot Panasonic DMC ZS7, and the Fuji FinePix X100. There you go. Leave some comments, see if you like these. I'll put up some more photography related items coming up shortly. See ya.